Alright, I'm making this video to show the creation all the way from using an FPS mesh tool on my Adam and Eve model from, I'll just show the source of this really quick. Uh, this is the model that I'm using. It's humanoid rigged. Um, but anyway, I'll start. I can't just use the body parts here um, because I need the right and left hand split up, and this asset doesn't do that. So that's what I'm using an FPS controller for. So if I stick this guy here, separate arms, create preview, and I'll create it without the head and arms first. And then build it. And then it should be here. Right here. So Adam headless, armless. And then I do it again. I'll just delete this just in case, and then stick them back in there. And then again, do this, and then only include left and right arms and separate arms, and create preview, build FPS mesh. So that's what I'm doing on the FPS mesh side. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I should have that now too. And then I should be able to two S's. I already have one. This is the one with two S's. And then I'll remove this guy again. And then I'll start the character creation process. So that's the character. New character made from this dude. No third person objects because I already got rid of them and I don't care about third person. I'm only concerned with first person. Looks right, I think. Build character, create. The item type is just sword. This is the character. ID 22 for sword. Don't want to add third person. I need to add the FPS arms with two S's. And make that the first person base. Animator controller should be the first person controller demo. First person visible item is a sword that I have from another thing. I've also tried this with just the normal sword from the demo, from the opsive demo. Cobra Sword prefab. Stick that there. Item parent, I want to drill into the arms and find the right hand. Add item slot. Change this to melee. Don't want a profile because I don't care about the positioning. I just want it to show up for now. Alright, so now it should all be built. Just to get it to show up, I don't know why, but it always changes the transform. So this gets it to show up, so you can see that it's all there. The sword is there. I'm sure it's misplaced. I'm sure the arms are misplaced, but the problem is they, when in runtime, aren't even showing up. So when I play it, and I know one of the people who I've been going back and forth with, a very helpful person, on the FPS Mesh Tool forum, said to create an empty parent to fix the the pivot and the rotations and stuff, but I haven't even gotten that far, so I'm not worried about that. I just want to show. I wanted to show up, so I clicked play, and the arms and all their children, like the sword itself, are disappeared. If I go in and actually look, you can see it should be here. The pivot is there, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe somebody else who's actually gotten it to work can compare it with the setup that I have here, but yeah. You can see the animation, the same animation, or the same model that's correctly animating for everything except the arms. It was used for the arms, so I don't think it's like, at least I wouldn't expect it to be the rigging from the model. Let me think. Is there anything else I need to mention? Yeah, I think that's it. All right, thanks.